Until you ever need the man for I see I know woman because woman you are home. Wouldn't you? And I never people don't pay attention. Oh, you're here now and more. You expect them ranting about who wanna match you. Nana match you. So when I'm no beyond shall be uncle to our Okofia with be a kuno to say, yeah, motor gumuno. Say, now I'm meant to know beyond Chammy. That should tell you how people don't respect you. So who know here and need the every woman for. Oh, my man for one will be on phone. Anga na no twem wan hia me wo na se yan hia wa wo beka se ya bu anim tia so we must give people respect
Orofa wutie me ye we shaw na ehu a onsan kan ho ene akoye weekend ene nti de meka ne se obi bia enya no abotre na video ya me be play ma wahwe bombo ni se obehye ama ahemfofo no especially me so otumfo injo na ono so mombo na se yesi de odi akire no isua de odi animu no anamon eno no ntre se bi wo ye ohene na utumi ne boro nkofo so nti no na se obi adi wonim kan wade bi ma untumi sua ifiri no obetumi asua ifiri no mesra mo mommo na se video yi eye opem so injo otikoko so the second ne sabeka video yi na wahwe bi na emfa emwa because minim se oye ohene a ne tumi no edu akire pa enche bia matini manya ne mframa mu kura se se okọ UK na wako celebrate eye ne anniversary a enche ebeba so isa abaso se ma so I think say yebe nhwehwemu ne yehunu no kure wom na emomu no se ne America no me se ebimpa na wahindie nu ampa Ghana so de yenia enimu no wahindie nu ekọ amaman pi so adentia eye Asante Kingdom no ade edo kire yi pa nanso se ne mesan so sibiem se ebia na wahindie nu eburu nkofo de so eno no ntrese se obi edi onim kan wo kankom wo ne nyoma pa bi a untumi nsua emfiri ne wo mesra mo video yi moma no so na megiri se na nishi video yi so a ono ankasa obohunu se ampa enyema bi wo ho a em se eya akachiri eno ka ho bi na ya mebunu no bi musu nya kwanya bi dom kasa fidie so a na adane atemdidie nanso medi nkaka cho me kasa fidie so enya de ame medi atem na emom de me pesa me ka kire eye opemso otikoko so Asante hene ene se omomodina na onye njehye papa bi enfentu oma eye ne titafo no na yese oman no wo ye kandifo a omanfo no na ma wo ye kandifo enti me so me mra ana se eye mensem kan me kan enso ye nana otumfo osetutu eno so ene de maria from kasa fidie su akwanya ba ma eye mebununum ewo eye social media platform no so se nke o wasem bi kan ye ni akwanya ewo parliament nti wo dia obayen so ba address wo issue no fefefe enti mesra mo video wi mwa no so ma me na megidi se ebeye mwa pi na ne titafo no so ehunu ni mapa ohini wei wabɔ no modin a eno nti ende ofa social media friends say YouTube, Facebook, TikTok or trend pa medi kan so aka kire o se wo fidiem ya no ndwuma pankotin na yede ye bɔ hu dowro na de ofurudua pa no ono na yede ye pia no odofo ye mbonwura video no mumra na wankasa kɔhwe woni so ade na mesro so be mia like button no so ama me na wa share video yi na video yi ntumi ko viral na papa no ndwuma pa na ɔbɔ hu dowro no etumi akonkan yanko ne yanko hwemra
fa container ni nyina mede emegu ommo de no so me amede o me land amato se be land mi nu amato na ma westi nti wo te ya na hu de me yi na me se fa ho de me se ma onye because people can read between the lines. I call when you're selfish the oil yen be no hwe free ho ntia mo no person obo yen so ye panyi na o ye person mi nkumunya wa bi ne se obetimi a discipline ko no they will see
ye ba e kra yen nya ntie se obe share demarcations na se no wan ka se obusun afie kra wa kra
ye bu no fast kra ye bu no fast and first ye bu no they watch that no me papa mfie no first ye bu no the ye bu ye de awode ne ye mu no
no correction me come questions at also no do na offer a person relocate in a 1 bedroom be 2 bedroom self-contained be the person ba is Dumasua ready to welcome people?
Yeah, we are so ready to welcome people. In fact, I mean, no, a lot of people are almost up land.
Yeah.
omuguso omototo bi na no kwa me wani mi ho no nurse for association omo president ne ba say omo per land omo tama mo members
Okay.
me dey ohene ba ko man say omo nkona omo no munya land we have so ready.
Okay.
So bibia na o pese wo to dan na ko si o mentam fa bra kro we mu.
Wow.
Because very soon no land no ntimi nto. Ade aye okrom han. You see, it's painful that people cannot see what I'm seeing.
Exactly.
People cannot see what I'm seeing now. Say maybe 2-3 years from now, no land a ton of 50,000 Ghana cedi we no. Over ton be 300,000.
Okay.
I'm telling you. They say, you know, so you'll be quite very smart. Or video, you know. Think of a year hostels.
Okay.
Your investment in was Sunya here. How to Sunya is 7 kilometers away. It means over 10-15 meters away through her.
Yeah.
To a very beautiful hostel higher. People will prefer to stay here. I then back on Menkai. Yeah, they like a CCTV camera, Bobo post now.
Wow.
All
CCTV
the posts.
camera.
Yeah, but that's the arrangement. Near the feeding in Echo police station.
Okay.
So the police can monitor to see whatever nonsense that's happening in the town.
Wow.
You know, your security base, so I be do by being Obibia air baha. You better say over concourse officer call register with your Ghana card. Say me to about the Monsieur Group. You have to prove say we again any the Ghana card. Yeah, menelo ya be di home komo. No say then you bit my afa huntu no or chere protocol e be fast why.
Okay.
Henceforth no obesi dan wo dum Monsieur Group e be ka ho say ofie ni mu no e say wo pave ho na ho nyina no wo ye garden ho.
Wow.
And as soon as we anniversary na time kakra wo mu no mantem akwa na wo nwire mu na as a new site no e ko pekate pra be kwan ni nyina atu. The reason is at times we go see dan work na dan be anywhere. At times no omo consider demarcations e wo kuro no mu no. Do be no na see dan rough. And pass be kono kwan bi kwa make kwan no aha da. Nanso no na original kwan no aha da.
Wo se fa.
Do be hu no wasiesi ya. Nti ye be dwini nyina de atotum. Do ko na kwakọ si wo dan hu se ha de kwan de da nti nya de obey mistake bia because ye kwa asem da akwaje omo area ha nyina no ye side plan no.
Okay.
E na de be ye say adwuma no. Di akwan bia no ye be ye nyina de atum. To be a very smart part, two things: hostel and a very good hotel. To the investors, obi oy investor me chiro I have land in Boefo.
Yeah.
But obi to now be dey make ya obi nya sika is say wo ya won kran.
Wow.
Because say invest ma ko me nsa wo sunyan.
Yeah.
You know dey kwa ben here less than 10 minutes no wodro. Nti wo hostel wo ha. No student ni hu say do so very secured. We have the police station. Every street be and camera and monitor. They will prefer to stay here.
Yeah.
Don't make Jai Sunyan hostel na baba because here they are very secure.
Yeah.
Do you be able to carry me out to someone? We na made mom and money we here hostel, hotel. It be a very big restaurant to be because the more amount for no, they would like to eat.
Yeah.
So these are things that busy amount for more here and bit me your more bob.
Obi ate yaso kakra bi obi be ho but me nyantin firi wa no say enche benya dumesia more.
Oh yes, more on the land na da ho.
Okay.
We have the land. In fact, we who are cram more for the China more senka we develop it.
Okay.
Nti omo ba akra de machi ba eba be share. But say na me friend be on here very small when it come to business.
All right.
So na ade me ban go show bi answer. One kasa pe be $2 million pe. Na your foundation at ho. Na your side planning na person kwan ho say this all you want to do. People will bring the money for you to build it.
Yeah.
Yes, I can say.
Wow.
There we any money me here me pesika bi. Na ya draw a beautiful plan how I person more na be edumesia more. Na ye the sikwan no ho. Ye na ya to foundation bi bia. You know, omo ye KFC for we know ShopRite for. They will bring money and we will build it. Na be edumesia de ngo ye aban bia de. Nti e ade e pese ye. Land na kwan ho say we do police barrier ho na. Land na da ho nyina no. E ho na pese si e edumesia more.
Fantastic. Abusha yeni nana ayebiafo Jenna enedi nkomo, the man of the moment, the traditional leader of the moment. Nano yeni mranche ni bebre di nkomo okroyi mu. Asem ba ko ebinom kan se afi kwa do hwe akroyi mu fodo mu nto aba. Mu hia manyofo asem bia e promise bia. Adwuma na obe promise omo ana, omo nya adwuma ni bi ye. Akwan ana. That's base ana. Nana me bisa se do maybe na se ompesua so for ka se ye pese okọ amanyo se mu as an MP. Why are you ready for such?
Anyway, see, the thing is that people don't know. I am the leader of Hare Krishna movement Ghana. I'm the national chairperson.
Okay.
So I feel that my position, me hold it in life, you know, bigger than even a president.
Wow.
I'm being sincere with you.
Fantastic.
Hare Krishna is a worldwide organization. Go out there and you see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I am the leader in Ghana. So do I have to drop this and come here? I won't do that.
Okay.
I'm a minister. I'm being sincere with you. Here's me, America. Say, Chebia, Abambi so Dana. If you had the idea, you bit me up, boy. America say, because that environment, I will not survive there. I can't be corrupt in my life. I'm being sincere with you. Men can say politicians are corrupt, but you don't know it.
Yeah.
When you are too close with them, will be corrupt. I'm telling you. Because I'm going to parliament, one new job.
Yeah, almost the same.
Yes, imagine say 275 and the car bro be as will be any.
What's been quite there?
What would the why walk any be there? Oh, you will be. Now check as a car is that me my president you. Whenever was my car.
Yeah.
So I will not survive too long among sick people. And into many politics with the now I'm going to say, oh yes, I do by do so be MP.
Yeah.
For what? No, and you dear oh my dream with that. No, mean to me I can't do anything have to do with politics. Media, if you say I have a vision, now a person change your crew.
Okay.
You know, Obaha, me kai be a chum crew, and this in MPP pa antagonism be a woman temwom.
Wow.
Because I see a what July. Nka debate on your one says I want to be can people and this as a promise say. Because Oba your office why they're not here or no NDC for communicator.
Okay.
And I'm a right hand man, so honestly MPP for the chairman today. Omo nyina ye dwuma office ko me kwa we wa ha because your person will be able to target and say a party being money. We don't have any ambition, any ulterior motive say in the future and we want to go into politics. It is something I will never think of.
Okay.
Me cry me yes I don't know. Yes you to about the main case me krum for the to aba. They should vote. Amon to aba because one to aba obi ba koyi obi am na be do so pe o mpo de obeka na be ye. But obi say me say nana nti parties in the doors. When pa na ofi say yekoto abama na. Yeah. Meet me akase monto my masumesi.
Okay.
Minim kura no from 1992 up to now no NDC and MPP for na rule up to now. No kura meter to kwan. We are say minim ba bia me nkoye.
Okay.
We took kwan pa na me hwa ade am ko hu abrochiri. Ne ye mpayin for dodo na wo ko school abrochiri de omo ye na MPP ne NDC for. Me nkasa obi anto abama omo. And this is here with you.
Fantastic.
See, see, I have a quarter by a year December. So be say, or give me no masem so. I have to not back on to much other.
Wow.
And this is here with you.
New force.
Me name chada, me nini she say. In fact, your program nan ko so beba.
Yeah.
But me name didn't went to mama. But what tie in kasa yem. Nena na money the orkana. Such a person no ukura vision. Ya uncle bi why from say, ye ma menhwe.
Yeah.
Sanko for bi no.
Obeya obepuvu.
As wontim ye ma menhwe. Obeya such a person no. Obasa normal and be na this no di ache e betime nka efo mo nto nche kaka no mo nyanko position at the same time no mo say the city
yeah
the end is it ha na mpp ti ha no mo nyina your position party for a mo say Ghana for ani answer na kwa animu okay nti me I don't have any intention of going into politics. It is something I cannot do. I don't have the qualification because you look at Steve say politics, you know, one of the qualifications is you must be corrupt. I don't have that qualification. I can't do it.
Wow.
I will not survive too long. It doesn't mean that all politicians are corrupt. No, some are not, but a few.
Yeah.
Or more influence into me change the door.
Okay.
I don't want to get there. Nemo, a person who say Ghana for any year but take. Now politics for them to me and with me and they and me say you hold them accountable. That's when they will do the right thing. Until the you know is you who be a a bedroom baby. Do myself for class say be a young to about man people in this year. Fear before every hold whoever is the MP accountable say, Mungo head must yo. Papa keto bi oba ono kwa oniska bia o hen keto bi. Nyesa hen kese o. E why you couldn't didn't na be so many years onye ye. Then we go kumase no more ka, obeko nka no more ka, obeko vote no more ka no. Then Ghana will be changing. The year you know, some people don't see the impact. But I'm telling you, a very big impact. A bedu baby no. Far away from here, no people will be referring their political figures and say, Monko head kosu ukulumo. The Chinabino say individual or no kwani sika. No what me we ya. Then na wo sika sa na wonti wanya. And they know say yen to Obama or not your mo. Ye to Obama ma wa pese no yin na motinkran. O yere nyenso na ko pa na ko abuja ko wo. O yare pa na wo ko abrochire. O manyina ti abrochire. O mo ti na mu. They will begin to learn.
Yeah.
The Chinabino ye bebisa wo. So o hene ne kwa dem kromo ko odi na ho. Ko yeda wa yo.
Yeah.
So to na ho hihye wo.
Abusia Mama ni kan enka asem wu anas mama nka asem wu very important. Mpanifo na eka asem bi se asomrofi dwoa na aboa krama onya baabi timi da. Mama fa aseda emudu ema dumasua atena konya ne dumasua ahemfo. Se omode akwanya yi ma nanai na nka twema mentwe menteme ho ase na eni kwan se de ne to so. These are some of the challenges that ekoso nkura hodo ma me no ka say me amikura me firi masante achem konongo ohene no yabo no so ono ne hene so me no ka say onya ntimi kura fa na won kire nkurumafo no so ono ne hene because abusua we say enye na wo say wudi abusua we say enye na wo say wudi sa menteme ho ase ne twema mentwe ne sa mpapa mu no ema mpuntu ka akiri pa enti aseda kase nkoma dumeso ahemfo ene dumeso atrankonya nyina se bra mode akonya ma nana no mama no the safe and then peaceful ground ama otimidi ne vision nyina egu akwan nana bi wonso freedom fighters say memfa aseda emu edu emfa mawo eye ye chidifo ye chitafo ene ye titinafo the Kyei-duah sisters Ohini David Dr. Ren shine your eye 44 amazing omo asem nyina ne sa bidi omo tententan so e bomba ni fo achi fellow Ghanaians many of them freedom fighters omo asem nyina ne sa bidi omo ka champion ni fo say monye ni yie maye na mano ne ha ye we nipa na ye and what prove sampa Ghana betimi aye bebre na wo mentality bi say Ghana no e be take over 200 years bi ansa na aye but they would 1 year pa aye amada di pefe say eye boapa yo bi na mpanifo na hyeda emwaiti dey di kan omo se me fa seda emudu ema say wase ye nimonyam a etesa eye ni bisem emo mo wadwene bi say Ghana no ni ye yo pa de enye ye ti no emabunu bebre na pekon adwane from man mu no ya asem na wo ka kire
yeah no crow see the cost of Ghana no adding na mo mede me wogidie bi say yes ye be Ghana yi a e be yi na September me kai say na amanfo kai say fix the country
yeah
and na ebi no so we must fix our attitude
yeah
me say mo kasa mo nyansa wo fom obi o Ghana ha onum su o de to abonten odu Dubai sisi na onum su o de be hye ni botom
wow
the Dubai ho no when fixing itself no police because the leaders no affect almost system to the point say who gymna the robot for go jail on and you know see everything boils back to leadership it's not about the individuals in the country
okay
no share abrochire say be nkwase for ho pa
no correct
by omumra na say we yakwase a ye do sika bebu man no they even say light me red light you see her main twam red utwam red na camera capture but so me so an amount 250 euros
yeah
they say we traffic light the mobile 5 times in a month we bet you more than 1,000 euro do ko je bet 5,000 euro boss market here 1,500 no eh your red light no try baby I call over speed so we bet ya the way Jimmy abrochom person with Jimmy na omo do Jimmy no be the be kuro ni
fantastic
I'm telling you omo pa Jimmy for asem abrochire because Jimmy for no omo do omo yekuro no the way Jimmy you do sika be yekuro no and I know what I'm talking about
yeah
because all the time minim ona mo abon say na camera no omo da kwete baabi e wa highway no munim
yeah
otwa na flash o first pa no na etwa o number no
yeah
ama photo me debate nyamia na me drive say etwa o number na etwa wan kasa so wo ticket ma wo drive no do we corner that way you email money amount 1,500 a month na wo sum boto anything no sika omo gifiri nkofo nchen kon na timi ye omo kuro yi the whole point and say me no yeah but at times you know come here na say obi anokutia o
yeah
anything fix yourself no will not solve anything
okay
Ghana highway okota ade o ba bi na ye queue ho a nipa hin na be di queue no so o drive na car traffic o kwan mu a nipa hin na di line no so obi ya be ya fa ho the one na person o ya papa no na o bre do so me di mra so e be say me delay no so queue no so ko no amanfo fa na e fa ho ntino you'll be forced to do what you're doing. So we cannot fix our attitude when the system is not fixed. These people don't get. I don't understand. If the system is not fixed, those who are already doing the right thing, they will suffer for doing the right thing.
Yeah.
But when the system is fixed, people will be forced to do the right thing, and then it will benefit everybody. You know, it's not about fixing anybody's self. Then in a prison house on war. So yeah, I bet my fix it one guy, one go prison. Yentiminti na prison wo Jimmy and the prison. And into obi bi say we must fix our attitude. No. Do must ya kuro we ye kuro ketua o. Make say ye nkurasefo. Yeah. E ka say nkurase ke say kuro no esa. And crampo amount for the rubber to talk about tape.
Yeah.
Mobile rubber hand more about tape. Obviously, our office of material. The system assistant, it does me as you want fun to ma. Nama befa. Would you know how fair photo? One of them. You must fix the system, and the attitude will change. I don't get it. That people think that the individuals, the young fixer, they didn't take a bit to president. So yeah, why do we need leaders? We need somebody to lead us.
Yeah.
I'm just an individual person with the support of the traditional council.
Yeah.
See what we're doing. People are saying 1 year. It's not up to 1 year. Yeah, didn't see so and son has every year within 1 year.
Yeah.
So if you're able to do this within this possible time, are you saying say abanya or not him kokoje bosia kutu
yeah.
On the way.
Oh.
I'm mention what there. To see a V8. One to cry about $250,000
for one.
For one V8. Now there you can say car number okako year free port on. Because back over 718,000 Ghana for port duties in car now by the V8 say or more Land Cruiser no and Escalade no more necessary Range Rover no high class and year 7 billion all citizens near Joe just because say what they can abana we year say about take no and guess say your mouth container back come okufie and I say your mouth chef back come okufie just say what the can aba we year say kurom keke no 7 billion. Now, Sakai would tia best at $200,000 and $50,000. You see, in $100,000, you're saying, a 15 billion all cities, 1.5 million Ghana cities. Do kotoka a $200,000. Oko saying 3 million Ghana cities, about 30 billion all cities. That car back when come mammy and make chingy do wow. Just $200,000 a pet. Over my time by be near paving by beer all the way to Jawadi a foom. You're getting with a foom. No, just give me only the $200,000 and say, Nana, Jiway. May say you bet paving all the way to your foom, better 12 miles away. You're getting in. You bet do a foam offer. You bet do a foam crowded.
Nice one.
And MPs in the ministers will be 2, will be 3, will be 4. Jimmy T, no can say, Crowing one. Ghana buying for me, means you win the dimatem. Yeah, Minister Hodeno. Maybe I'm mobile, be boy, yeah. Maybe to be at them, but be at them, and the point and say, you guys can do this. See, in life, there were 2 channels. You were the entry point, you were the exit point. The entry point is your birth. The exit point is your death. Sure. In between these two, no, impartation. You must ask yourself, say, what is the impartation that we want people? It's not about fear based to see. I think I'm about to talk. Cast don't know. No. My mom for and smiling because of you. Yeah. Okay. That make police station we take a media na ma see fear if get what? You forget what? We that if get what? Na ka wo me dim nkoso dan nkoso hin dey fo. Wow. E say ni wonyam. Yeah. Say ni yesi ma kuro na say na mba hotel no. One thing. Impartation. We want to have impact in the lives of people. Now we feel 100 and now we feel a better. Dan number ko na beda wo. Dan na kura mu no. Abi ke tuwe bi na oda. But just imagine Crawford yet two omoka be ye year ni Yankopon ko nenim. Na sentem ba bi boys you know mo say omo base bi wase ha. Ah dodo na free ha no pa. Omo ko hwe the whole day. Okay. Na bi no bo pese di. Na omo fufuo di. Because omo nya de bi omo ye get to ho. Ba ye sha adwuma si. Hwa de man ko gina fidie so nka say emunya wi no manya wi no ye be chemo omo nya tramado. De ye ne say ye create employment. Then papa be 7 na but if I ban machines here, you pay big way. Okay. And a papa na secretary number. I bet you more mobile in a nipa 100, nipa 150. Okay. When I'm more year Jumano. On Bay Juma, Manako Bunny may be a best 5. Or more power on back office or nipa doors and Tino. Or be beginning to can be a 7 abo. Okay. Ubedufi no why if what better obey then. Ube dried up a baby. Yeah. The next day, so about 7, I said, "Koye juma na biu." The time na doko base no.
Nya da je kra.
Nze wo be hye kra na. Ketu abi a wo da ho na bi a wo be you half a bi.
Be blaze brother man.
What I half a. I know the whole ketu abi.
Yeah.
But first they almost back of the ministry of the day. Or mo kotena bu so be even the whole day. Na boss obi kwa na obi yese na tramadol yi no mafo fa. But now no everybody is working. Na amanfo mo nom sa kwa wensafo ekuro na untimu nkan. Dodo na ya professionals. Bi na mason for, bi na carpenter for, steel benders. Omo nyina nya adwuma bi omo ye ntu onkonko nom sa biyo. Did they make sure on say if you want to have impact in the life of people, enye kasa tenten. Do something. Ye bibi ketua bi, wo ye bibi ketua bi pa, enough. Then get am ban for you. Yes, I'm media like I'm saying, me to me matter. I don't know, I don't have that qualification. But the meeting can say, some more person more ya, mo betimi aye. Na nso no Bible can say bi, o se nipa bibi wo japade wo no. Hono akoma wo. Ghana mpayinfo dodo na akoma enni Ghana ha because mo japade ankasa pa enni Ghana ha. Okay. Ono ye panyin no na ye nyensan a o ma ne kwa wo aburukyire. Nti ne ma nya Ghana fo. O mo ye America fo, o mo ye UK fo, o mo ye Germany fo. Ba bia o ma wo no, akoma wo pa beboa. Se ne ma be ko school a, o mo ma Ghana ha sa e free sika se no bi o mo kwa aburukyire de ye. Ti na koma ni ha. Nti se se ye tie se ye yofa ya. Se wo ba e wo bi a make bubu ahye. No mo say entoko bi se obubu ahye se ye ya ofo betu mi ka se ye. Ba se ye wo tie woni ba bi bubu ahye se entoko se bubu ahye. Wow, sa bubu ahye entoko se ho I say. And into o makoma ni ha nti ade bi ekoso bia emfa mo. See, what I'm saying, people might not get it. Yeah. Their hearts are not here. Because mo ni agapade bia wa ha. Yeah. Ne ma ya aburukyirefo. Today na wo ye minister. Na wo ba enya Ghana citizen. I see you two ade so. Wo ye health minister no. O ye nyensen akọ wo aburukyire. Na hwan na kwada ha ne nkowu. See, what I'm trying to say, people might not get it. This is Gianna for you. I'm the 21st century life coach. The American open wafa.
Indeed, he is a life coach. If you want to follow him on all the social media platforms, just type or search for transformations. Ubenyano on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. Just type and search for transformations. He does a lot of deep teachings. Wow, I'm awenya and Tiasiamu, the NTR, or Nene or any Nakandi a different. Nana, ye dey come on by we. Ye were about to have him. Tension, euphorias, heat your system in him. Then I'll be catching them no any Ghana for. They were about to bring you me.
You know, as a mystical person, no. Afibia so na yes afina say me ye bibi a forecast of the year. Okay. Do be our follow me a channel. Say any nim what I'm able to see. Okay. You know, me nima DSC from January now. Yeah, dear medjo me man can was yeah. So if I go to my platform no, now may a video be on the 3rd of January 2024. What happened to Trump? The assassination I spoke on it. Men American say Joe Biden will not be a president bill because Obe resign. Go down and check and see. Yeah. Make say na the time Obe resign close to the election. Election finding somebody will be problematic. Go and see what is happening there. Because I read the stars. I'm a numerologist, I'm a palmist, I'm an astrologer. Okay. This is what I do. Okay. And because of what I know, I believe in something called the laws of karma and reincarnation. Knowing very well, sir, na mo be me to the so so. The assembly and so hen na say man free makumo man som na me kululu sana. The results will come to me. And I'm sure baba me myself was and I don't come and I have to come back and face them. Consequences, yeah. Because I know this, that's why I can't be corrupt. And you know, who beside me Ghana about the attorney said this year number 8. And according to numerology, number 8 is ruled by Saturn. Okay. When Saturn rules, there's 2 problems. Okay. Religious extremism and tribal conflict. These are the 2 things. Okay. This year, MPP ni Audi Kani Kremoni, and this is Christoni, a 2 religious group never be here. Yeah. Say I'm here no movie play any religious card that Ghana will not face anything positive. Wow. Because we are dealing with number 8. Number 8 is ruled by Saturn. Saturn, he want to foster religious conflict and tribal battles, in the fight. What did I say? They are careful. Not any of these main guys or no has or play the card of religiosity part. Ghana will have a problem.
Wow.
I'm telling you. See, I give in paying for pa. They need to call these people to order. Say, Omonya very careful. So Omonya anything there. Or me a Christian into a Christian to mame. Or me a Christian to mame. Omonya play with pa. Certain will take effect, and you see what is going to happen.
Wow.
So Ghana paying for mama can be a woman. Omon ma ta caution we.
Yeah.
Omon so be has say or play any religious card and them pa. Omon friend and code them no because the more I be play NDC, MPP, now I could join it. Christianity, Islam, or no, it could bring something terrible to our country. And look at that chain. We are brand to your baba wa. When he say, or that here, the politician be about when him say, a be a gang, be more base, my question money call, or say, Monko attack baby. Okay, because every Obama is also who chill to Pesica. But at least Monias and country or say, Byzantine in my way, you percent in my bed joining Manamonko.
Fantastic.
Huh? Said I ever call. You bet you be 100,000 Ghana cedis. But I say no money in our corner, you money, but you money come. So to me, the ma eba monko.
Fantastic.
So what bizarre one and pay him and homogeneous stage so a campaign who must or more. You know why? Omens of many babon here, they are not safe. They are keeping them somewhere. Or no by a president and the man they have first children. I'm gonna bet private jet, Muna would test to Toronto go with you. Who need bicycle book? The man and Casana on benefited from the presidency.
Yeah.
You are not even seeing them. Or the Musi.
Yeah.
At the Yana said, and I'm on the Mawa Brucheco school. Now so take an annoy near who I be in the offer. Ne Mababa that Chiaba be deal so muscle.
Yeah.
Until over because why you create in other be a deal dinner, or also the mano. The CIA runs at the back. Zenato Eden.
Yeah, we MP.
No MP. There's possibility to say one day she's going to vie for presidency.
Yeah. Sure.
Huh? Nana Akufo-Addo is your president. Never by then. No, your president before. The CIA also be a president.
Yeah.
Nema will try to see. I don't hear here for having your mazan.
Yes, when you're fighting,
That be here for having your mazan. At least we should have an idea. Maybe I know take. I'm a summer baby. Papa, we need a man for the tea area. One of sorry. Now, in your trouble man on your MP now, pen terminal to free environment. Ne mama ensa omo nyina omo te budget CA. CA according to what I know no wakwa ba kokra wa busaka ho a. Kide on the on Tragana kura o. Ba amanfo no muti area omo to abama no they are still in their ABC. But I feel osako contest here because say ya adwene nche da nya adwuma nwie na MPP ni NDC system na aye tiriuma no. They want to go and support them.
Yeah, you'll be fighting for them.
So person would see me do much yanko so hene. Me I respect everybody and I love everybody. My politician ain't you sue. Did make any? So all you sue no or the macaron all you sue the mean say the way any other papa be.
Yeah.
Well, I'm finding man, slow. Here now the all can one could actually. Yes, you got time ballot boss. I can't say that I bet pajama or the other. Yeah, when they be quick but for money, but you know, you money
clear.
Huh? Well, I'm from one man when say on Pewasemo, yes, or more because to be influence on what my good bonnet. And the best say easy on trying to very fair in this election.
Sure.
Because could be so I say election issue bad don't know sir unfair nature of sir nipa no referee no. The is very them say mon try to play my role right. So the be ya obi ankodwen say obi a wo sisi yen. And above MPP ni and this obi bia na obi lose no. Nipa na engine tum. But who be say me pa dia make us Ghana foi mun tie me. Mommy for MPP ni and this on train chain for only 4 years a pay. Na yan hwa de. Mr. Meaning so your MPP need then they can be beer want it. Meaning so we end this need then they can be beer want it. That's a mess. So then say Mommy for MPP and this for 20 for only 4 years a pet. They are ready. Some person nipa no be ba no o meye bibi asi bibi ampo a. Ye ba end this in MPP who say ye ho from Ghana for. Hwe so obi hu fono wa. No man who say one from one nipa no mbu kwa no odi buo be mam.
Yeah.
Enye saa de a said ye timi ya ni o. Me se me yere nyama. Me ti o me na kwa abuja ko wo. Me ma me ti o me kwa abuja kokosunya ade. Nti ka me de ka me kasa ye den. Nanso me obi a me dream nipa ho.
Yeah.
I don't think me dey me yo me dream nipa ho. I think about people.
Sure.
Because what the environment baby. No obi ya yo hia ni na nko yo sikani a life is at stake.
Sure.
Because I hear obi anko yo sikani a omnya hia for no. Obi a target obi a wo no be target wo. Ti me ni obi a na man pese onya ne kakra wo obedi. Said ye be ya Se boni kura woni pani tirimu a obeto atwene timu ye tofo kona ehia for so ehia omo den no money very careful because one day will come they might write against you guys timi de ye kwa abato e de mesre all the political parties no be anya the campaign without insult na omunka omunsem ompese omoye yenim se tro no be di o metwa promise amonye and yenim at least omoye na oman kontokwa we will be happy and amrant ye no monhwe yi no be amegage mu se monkonko ye bibi e de problem eba Ghana isi so no try na be wadwuma yi se de be ya obeye fair we fair na ye to aba ni wie na obi bia obewe ne na je atuma at least aban hwe yen kra na ye ye okuro ma ya ban ka pre nim se ne ye no ti adan hemfo mo hwe yen so mo madwen ba so ohen ketu abi atimi aye ameso metimi atra bi sa okuro mu a na Ghana yes say depend so much on the politicians and when they say we don't depend on them anymore they will do the right thing like I'm saying say see about memfa phone na memfa ye MC and I MP say me pa atwo ye pa ade say oni kura no betum nika de abasisi ya wow because him say ade ye no nika pre nim and until obaso ye bibi na on feel part so ye part of the whole thing nti mesre say ye no say na Ghana ebetimi ade thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Keep on watching Why You Think Show.